Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Hold up. Technical difficulties.
You might know the pain, but I'm holding out. It might take a lot of time, but I'm still gonna wait. I'm holding out.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. All my old subbies, thanks for sticking with me. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. If this is your first time stopping by, let's not do that. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell so you get notified every time I do upload a video. And today I just created a look. You know how I do. I was playing, alright, no, I wasn't playing. Listen. So today I created a look using a Morphe 39S palette. Yeah, my 39S palette. I told you I was gonna use this palette again to just create another look. I created this look. Lashes that I'm wearing today are from my brand. This is in the style Prissy. Period. Much in the video, I just showed you guys how I just did my whole face in the video. It's not gonna be a talk through. I'm just gonna let some music play and y'all just gonna watch me do my makeup, makeup therapy, whatever y'all want to call it. In the video I did not show you guys what I used on my lips. So on my lips today I used my ColourPop lip pencil along with my Lorac gloss here, and that's what I have on my lips. And I'm trying out something new with my brows. So if I like the way it looks in the video, then I'll do a updated brow routine. This is my second time doing it, so I wanted to see how it looks on camera, because the first time I did it, it wasn't on camera. But yeah, I'm just talking. Anyway, so if you guys want to see what color shadows I use and how I got this look and the foundation that I'm wearing today, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy the music, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.